In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your Google AdSense account step by step. Whether you're transitioning to a new monetization strategy, consolidating accounts, or simply tidying up your online presence, deleting an AdSense account is a straightforward process, but it does require careful attention to detail. So let's get started together. First, open your web browser and navigate to the Google AdSense start page. The easiest way is to type Google AdSense into your search engine or use a link you may have saved previously. Once the page loads, look for the Sign In option. Click it and enter the email and password associated with the AdSense account you want to delete. Make sure you're signing into the correct account, especially if you manage multiple accounts, to avoid any accidental mistakes or confusion. After signing in, you'll land on the Google AdSense homepage. This is your central hub for managing ads, viewing reports, and monitoring overall account activity. Today, however, our focus is on closing the account completely. Look toward the top of the screen where several tabs are displayed and locate the Account tab. This section contains important information about your account settings and all personal details used to set up AdSense. Within the Account tab, click on Settings. This menu allows you to make changes to the account itself. Next, locate Account Information and click on it. This screen will show all the data associated with your AdSense account, including your publication ID, contact details, and other essential information. For the final steps, scroll down and find the Close Account option. Clicking this is a major action. It will initiate the process to permanently close your AdSense account. Before proceeding, make sure you save any important data, reports, or earnings information, because once the account is closed, you won't be able to retrieve it. Confirm that you're ready and carefully follow any prompts asking you to acknowledge the closure and the loss of certain account data. Once completed, your Google AdSense account should now be fully closed. It's a good idea to check your email for confirmation messages from Google detailing the closure and any additional instructions or next steps. Thank you for watching the step-by-step guide on deleting your Google AdSense account. Be sure to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials and tips for managing your online account safely and efficiently.